guys, welcome to Getting Started with Bootstrap 4. This is the introduction. Let's talk about what is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is an open source toolkit for developing with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Why we use of Bootstrap? Build responsive mobile first projects on the web with the world's most popular front-end component library. What is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically access themselves to look good on all devices from smartphones to large desktop. What we get from Bootstrap? Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, modules, image carousel, and many other as well as optional JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap version history. Bootstrap project was released on 19th August 2011. Bootstrap 2 was released on 31st January 2012. Bootstrap 3 was released on 19th August 2013. Bootstrap 4 was released on 18th January 2018. Prerequisites for learning Bootstrap. Before you start proceeding with this tutorial series, we are assuming that you are already aware about the basics of HTML and CSS. If you are not well aware of this concept, then we will suggest you are familiar with some basics of HTML and CSS concept. Bootstrap 3 is not mandatory to require when you are learning Bootstrap 4.